So number 61. What we're going to do here, we know that this is the described angle. So basically, the measure of this one is going to be half of 146. So measure of angle WVX is equal to half of 146. That's going to be 73. So this will be 73 degrees. All right, done with 61. On to the next. So in this case, right here, we got this one and this one. We know these two particular angles add together to give us 180. So measure of angle G plus the measure of angle W is equal to 180. Do a little substitution here. I really didn't have to put the degrees right there. So subtract 115 from both sides, right? Here and here. G is equal to 65. Okay, let's keep it moving here. Where are we at? 63. So in this case, it's asking us to find the missing side of the triangle. Round your answers to the nearest tenth if necessary. So let's see what we got. This is C. Let's make this A. Let's make this B. A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. So right here, we got this. We're going to get X squared. And here we're going to get 13.9 squared. So in this case, let's see what we're up to. Look around, a little bit of calculations here. Okay. 65.61 will be this one. And let's see what we get here. This will be 193.21. Let's go ahead and subtract here. And here. Right then. So now we're going to get X squared equal to 127.6. And it appears that X will be equal to, take the square root of both sides, right? Square root here, square root here. The 63, 11.3. And let's keep it moving. Now, this is going to be C this time. And then let's just make this A, make this one B. Let's do a little A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So just for the heck of it, let's change it a little bit. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So in this case, with number 64, it's going to be 4.7 squared. The B is going to be 8.2 squared, and the C we don't know yet. So let's just put X squared right here. Now, put this together, 22.09. And what's this, 67.24. Add those together, we get 89.33. This will be equal to X squared. Let's try to take square root of both sides here. Here and here. Okay. So that'll be 9.5 miles is equal to X. Got it? Got it. Let's try some more. Right here, they're asking us to use the Pythagorean converse. So let's go ahead and do this if we can. In this case, we got C squared. And we're going to just line it up. You know what I mean? See what's up on either side. So this will be 75 squared. A and B, let's just go here with the A. Let's go here with the B. Remember, the longest side is always going to be your C. Got it? So, and we're going to compare this. Let's see. Put it here. 42 squared. Excuse that 2. Plus, and this is going to be 56, if I can get that to work. Yeah, here we go. Let's try it again. 56 squared. So now, what we're looking at here, this will be 5625. And let's see what we got here. 1764. This will be 3136. So here we go. All right. So it appears that this is the bigger one. This is the bigger one. So this is going to be obtuse. Obtuse. Keep that in mind. And let's see. Oh, hold on a second. My bad. Obtuse. Good to go. All right. Done with 65. Let's move on. 70. No, not 70. I'm sorry. Oh, 66. I'll just play. All right. Let's see. Let's see. 66. So right here, C, this is going to be, let's go B here. Let's go with A here. Do the same thing. C squared. This will be A squared plus B squared. Let's see what's up with this guy. Okay. 28 squared. This will be 16.8 squared. And this will be 22.4 squared. So here we get this. And then let's go down the list here. 282.24 plus, and this will be 501.76. All right. When I line these up, I get 784, and this is 784 here. So just a heads up on that one. All right. So this is going to be right angle. So this is going to be right. Right triangle. Nice. Right triangle. Very good. Let's keep moving on to the next piece, shall we? And in this case, we're going to go to 67. And in this case, let's put this together for the cosine. This will be our angle right here. This will be our adjacent. And this will be our hypotenuse. Okay? So just a heads up on that. And so in this case, remember cosine is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Let me see if I can write that real quick. And in this case, we're going to just line it up. Cosine of C. According to what we see, the adjacent is 12. And the hypotenuse is 37. Done. Quick, fast, and easy. Okay. On to the next one. This one right here is going to be sine of X. So let's go. We got the opposite on this side. Okay. And in this case, let's see what we got. The hypotenuse right here. Okay. And so we got the opposite over the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and put this together. Sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. And so this is what we got on this one. So this will be the sine of x. And that'll be equal to 28 over 35, which will reduce to 4 over 5. 4 over 5. All right. Done. Let's keep it moving on this one. Next one. We got, let's see, we've got a value here. Oh, let's go here. So we want to find the missing information here, the missing side. So this is going to be an opposite right here. This is going to be an adjacent, right? So opposite over adjacent, if you recall, is a tangent, okay? So tangent of 64 is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So here and here, do a little math, multiply both sides by 16, you get 16 tangent of 64 is equal to x. So it appears that we're going to get, where is this? Oh, my bad. Pop in the calculator. And you're going to get 32.8, and that's going to be equal to x. All right. Now, let's move a little further. Get 70. And with this one, we're going to go here. You know what? That is the hypotenuse here, for sure. And let's see what else we got. That would be an opposite. So this is going to be the adjacent. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Last time I checked, this is going to be the cosine. I'm just saying. Cosine of 68, and that's going to be equal to x here. The hypotenuse is 14. Math is not that bad here. 14 cosine 68, that's equal to x. So a little calculator action, that'll give us 5.2 is equal to x. Okay, any questions on that? Okay, now we could